Hey, what's up? Welcome to a new brand video of Saitama coin, my brother. Welcome to a new brand video. Please, in this video, I will predicate this coin email. I will do a technical analysis, and also I will share opinion, my brother. So kindly, you need to watch this video completely to understand better. Now, the Saitama coin price is very good now. 0.0000001541 USD. It's a very good price, my brother, and very cheap now. But in last 24 hours, 2.15%, my friends, they will increase now. So that's a really good news, my brother, for all of you. So my brother, the market cap is not available, but fully diluted market cap, as you can see here, my brother, 154 million, my brother, and you can see here 2.50% level profit. The volume of last 24 hours, 18.66% loss now. It's a very bad news, my brother. Alright, so volume market cap is not available, circulating supply is not available, max supply, as you can see, my brother, I think this is absolutely, oh my goodness, very huge now. So just and only, my friend, if we check out the chart result to what's going on in the chart, so we will better understand, my brothers, to can Saitama coin will give you a profit and get this coin is going to be very good or not, my brother. So kindly, my brother, please, I think the chart is also not available. So my friend, I already predicted this coin in my previous my friend video. So if you need, my friends, to prediction, so check out. But the update I already shared you, my brother, and my prediction is absolutely going to be positive now. So I advise for all of you to kindly don't sell it, hold it, and just and only wait for the end of month, especially at the start of month. Every coin fails down, so therefore, my brothers, please don't see the short fails, and please, you need, my brothers, to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, in upcoming time the Saitama coin will move upwards. So kindly, you need to wait and good profit and take a good profit. So hope you understand something new in this video. Please, my brother, like video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos. I already predicted this coin. Check out my friend previous video. Please, hope you understand. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.